Welcome to the Ultimate Hand Mixer Showdown. Today, we're diving into the 5 best hand mixers for 2024 based on our opinion, giving you a detailed review of each one to help you make the best choice for your baking needs. Links to each mixer are in the description box below, and they're listed in no particular order. First up, we have the KitchenAid KHM7210CU 7-speed digital hand mixer. This powerful mixer comes with 7 speeds and a soft start feature, making it easy to control and prevent splatters. The pros include its quiet operation and easy-to-clean design, but some users have reported durability issues. Next, we have the Breville BHM800SIL Handy Mix Scraper Hand Mixer. This mixer boasts 9 speeds and a built-in timer for precision mixing. Its pros include the included mixing light and scraper beater attachment, but some users have noted that it can be heavy to hold for long periods. Moving on to the Cuisinart HM90S Power Advantage Plus 9-speed handheld mixer. This mixer offers 9 speeds and an easy-to-use one-touch speed control. The pros include its powerful motor and included storage case, but some users have experienced issues with the beaters coming loose during use. Now, let's talk about the Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. This budget-friendly option features 6 speeds and a bowl rest feature for convenient storage. The pros include its affordable price and lightweight design, but some users have mentioned that it can be noisy at higher speeds. Last but not least, we have the Black+Decker MX600B Helix Performance Premium Hand Mixer. This mixer offers 5 speeds and a unique Helix design for improved mixing performance. The pros include its comfortable grip and easy-to-use speed control, but some users have found the beaters difficult to clean. Which mixer did you like? If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave it in the description box below. Thanks for watching our Ultimate Hand Mixer Showdown. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and helpful kitchen tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned to our next video, and thank you for watching.